You can now run Google Gemini directly in kalilinux. In this video, I'll show you how to install the Gemini CLI and get it working in your terminal. Gemini CLI is an open-source command line tool that gives you direct access to Google's Gemini model from your terminal. It's lightweight, fast, and designed for developers who prefer working in a command line. It supports code understanding, code generation, automation, GitHub integration, large context windows, and grounding with Google search. Here's why Gemini CLI stands out. Free tier access. With just a personal Google account, you get 60 requests per minute and 1,000 requests per day. Powerful AI model. You're getting access to Gemini 2.5 Pro with that massive 1 million token context window, which means you can analyze large codebases or log files in one go. Built-in tools. It comes with Google Search grounding, file operations, shell command execution, and web fetching capabilities out of the box. Terminal-first design. Perfect for those who prefer working in the command line rather than switching between browser tabs. Extensible. Supports Model Context Protocol (MCP) for custom integrations, so you can connect it to your own tools and workflows. Install the package by running the command sudo apt install Gemini CLI. Then to get the help menu for Gemini CLI package, run the command Gemini CLIH. This will show all the available commands and options you can use with the tool. For example, Gemini CLIV shows the version of the Gemini CLI you have installed. Then run command Gemini CLI and that will ask to authenticate with one of the methods listed to get started. Option 1, Login with Google. This uses OAuth authentication with your Google account. It's the easiest method and perfect for individual developers. You get the free tier benefits I mentioned earlier. Option 2, Gemini API key. If you need specific model control or want usage-based billing for higher limits, you can use an API key from Google AI Studio. Option 3, Vertex AI. This is designed for enterprise teams and production workloads, offering advanced security, compliance features, and higher rate limits. For this demo, I will select the first option by pressing Enter. You can authenticate with your Google account. Once the authentication is successful, you're good to go and use the tool. Type your prompts in the box there, and that's it. Now you can use Gemini directly from your terminal. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.